Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug the iPhone into power so updates don't fail mid-download. Once done, make sure low power mode is off because iOS delays background tasks when it's on. Open the App Store and tap your profile to reveal the available updates list. Tapping Update All will batch them, but pick individual apps if you want to control order. This first sweep gets downloads moving and exposes any apps stuck with a pending status. If an app stalls, press and hold its icon on the home screen and choose Resume Download or tap it to restart. That often nudges the process. If purchases or updates show verification errors, go to Settings, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in to refresh authentication. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow iPhone Storage, and delete large unused files or apps. These steps clear blockers, so the App Store can fetch and install updates cleanly. After updates complete, restart your device to ensure new app files load correctly and background services restart. If downloads still fail, reset network settings in Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or reset iPhone, right arrow Reset. This clears Wi-Fi and VPN caches that can block downloads, but keeps personal data. If a specific app still crashes or won't update, delete and reinstall it. Your data may be in the cloud or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.